1 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 9 power x. Find the value of x. So at first we divided by 9 power x in both sides. So divided by 9 power x divided by 9 power x divided by 9 power x. So this will be cancelled. So here on. Now 1 power x over 9 power x can be written as 1 over 9, then bracket common power x. That means x same power but different base. So here we applied this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b bracket common power n. So according to this rule, then plus here we can apply again this formula because x same power but different base. So according to this rule, we can write here 3 over 9, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now this 3 divided by 3, that means it will be 1. This 9 divided by 3, that means it will be 3. Now 1 by 9 can be written as 1 over 3, then bracket power 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 3 square is same as 9. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus 1 over 3 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now here we can apply rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this formula, we can write here on according to this rule, I can write here 1 over 3, then bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2 according to this rule, then plus 1 over 3 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now 1 over 3 bracket power x, 1 over 3 bracket power x, both terms is same. So let 1 over 3 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now I can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here we can apply quadratic formula. So you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a is as 1, then b is as 1, after that c is as negative 1. Now I can write here y is equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means 1 square minus 4 4 times a, that means 1 times c, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now we can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4. Then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, then divided by 2. Now y, that means remember that let 1 over 3 bracket 4x is substituted by y. So y, that means 1 by 3 bracket 4x. So y, that means it will be 1 over 3 bracket power x is equal to plus square root of 5, that means square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2, or y, that means 1 over 3 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 3 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we take log in both sides, so you can write here log of 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so you can write here x log 1 by 3 is equal to log of the square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log of 1 by 3 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 3 divided by log of 1 by 3. So this log of 1 by 3, this log of 1 by 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be same that log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 3. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 30 plus 4 to the power 30 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 30. First bracket start this divided by this, that means 1 plus this divided by this, that means 1. Then 4 to the power 30 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 30 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 30, that means 60 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so you can write here 2 to the power 60 plus 1, that means 61. So 2 to the power 61 is the correct answer.